Hi guys, it's Exotic Fate. So take a look at this absolute beast. It's the Asus ROG GTX 1080 Ti. Today I'm going to be reviewing and going through the card's features and really my opinions on it. When Nvidia announced the release of the GTX 1080 Ti, we were all amazed since it's more powerful than the GTX Titan X. However, we're slightly shocked by its insane price tag of £773, reduced from £959 on Amazon as of the date I'm recording this video, and $899. So it's extremely expensive, but I'm sure it's worth its price tag, right? Now, take a look at the card's specs and maybe you can make up your mind for yourself. So it features a base clock of 1569 MHz and a boost clock of 1683 MHz. So the heat spreaders on this card have 40% more heat dissipation and up to 30% cooler and 3 times quieter. And the fans in the ROG STRIX graphics card are IP5X dust resistant for improved reliability and a longer lifespan. The fans have more air pressure on the edges to increase airflow and up to 3 times quieter volume than reference. Taking a look on the back of the card, the graphics card has 2 display ports and 2 HDMI slots, which is great for VR support. Also, another really cool feature is Asus Fan Connect 2. Asus Fan Connect 2 features 2 4-pin hybrid controlled headers that can be connected to both PWM and DC system fans for optimal system cooling. The connected fans reference both the GPU and CPU, operating automatically based on the one with the higher temperature. A comprehensive set of tuning options allow you to tune the fan speeds for effective cooling. Now, a really great feature that comes with the graphics card is GPU Tweak 2. Now, GPU Tweak 2 allows you to select a preset and apply it for an effective and easy overclock. There is also lots more features that this card has to offer, however I'm going to be going over them in a different video. Also, I'm sure I can overclock this card more and I can't wait to share that video with you, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. So the STRIX 1080 Ti has a 352-bit memory interface with a CUDA core count of 3584. The memory of the card is 11 GB of GDDR-X memory. Asus has not only put out an amazing graphics card, but has given us one of the best cards money can buy so far as of today. This video, if you did, be sure you like the video, and also if you could leave some feedback in the comments about the editing, I would really appreciate that, since I actually did put a lot of effort into editing this video, and I actually really enjoyed editing this video as well. It did take me quite a long time to edit though. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and well, be sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and peace out.